brother. I had people up in your blood clot chat to come do it. Come this me? Come this me? You know, say you're not capable for father like that, brother. That you don't notice, no, bro. Me a chat to you man early this morning and the man take me for a fight live, no dog. Watch out, one bag of people, you man sit down in the inbox and chat with you, no brother. One bag of people, you know, brother. Me the right yes I do what me for do as a fucking mother, and even that to no bumbuck like applied me for. But a waste man can come on the internet. Beg you some this, beg you some that. Only the back of the dog I can't talk about your brother who not feeling too. Me no fuck with the brother, bro. Me no fuck with the man. Yesterday we dey on the live, right? We dey over Daniel page. One bag of people come talk about give back baby to the right father. Till one girl come in there and disrespect me, and me disrespect a girl. And then scream McCarthy and say, I me a fuck with him. Me never did that trouble the dog, bro. The dog come out and disrespect me, brother. Disrespect me. And me come out and stand up for my bumbo clot self and people still a blood clot disrespect me like say me not have a right and me not have feelings, bro. Me and me you mother, me stay with me baby through chicken tin, brother. Me and me baby go through so much for the fucking area. This a boy you're not ready for being a bumbo clot father, bro. I'm too the man. Wanna stop bumbuck like add up some weird people like me now, bro. Don't tell my mother want bumbuck like she said me bumbuck like fall on my face. And what you wanna know see your grand pitney see him way. I have grand pitney see him bumbuck like when you come on the internet I can go on like say you're no big woman, you're a big woman now, bro. Why nobody can act like say them big, bro? Eh? Me I take accountabilities for my responsibilities and when people I make it look like say me nah do nothing. I have one bag of people in a box of chat and a disrespect. To no man who don't know me and I can't talk about liar. Make audience go add me in a fucking box. Can we talk about March 25, bro? Let's talk about March 25, bro. Me and you never dead, dog. I would want you, me did not talk to Bumbuck like a all harbor. All harbor. You know say baby and a fear. Yeah, use this for views, bro. I want to someone, bro. I want to someone, brother. Yeah, use this for blood clot use, brother. It get to me, dog. Me talk to you this morning, early this morning, bro. Me speak to you calmly near your talk, bro. The girl come in and the girl can't talk about take on half her life. Pretty sure pretty up things when me did there, me a try talk, brother. Everybody that don't for me son, me no response for me. Bro, you drop me from out of the fucking box. I got one bag of weird people in a circle that can't chat with me. We are chatting big pussy girl for a little pitney if you talk about dog. You know, see, no blood clot capable of being a fucking father, bro. And you want to go on people, pitney. Let's talk about bumbo clot. The 25 a fucking March when they can't be gonna fucking clean pussy. You know what's me pitney and a fear drunk crop. You know what's me pitney and a fear drunk crop. Let's talk about March the 25 pussy when they can't be got blood clot private doctor. Let's